All right, in this video, we're going to look at rewriting logarithmic expressions using the change of base rules. So let's say we have two real numbers, positive real numbers, a and b, where neither one of them is going to equal 1. Well, a to the x power is going to equal b to the x times log base b of a power. And where this comes from is if we take this x and use our power property, we get b to the log base b of a to the x, and b to the log base b of a to the x is a to the x. So that's true for all real numbers of x. And our change of base that we're going to spend most of the time in this video looking at, it allows us to evaluate a logarithm using a new base. So back before calculators had the ability to evaluate a logarithm for any base you like, you had to use what's known as the change of base rule. In terms of where you'll see this in the future, the change of base rule, it explains why the derivative of a logarithmic function for general bases is the way it is. So if we have log base a of x, we can write this as a quotient of logarithms with a new base. So log base a of x is going to equal log base b of x divided by log base b of a. And to help you remember that, notice how when we write the subscript for the base here for log base a of x, the a is below the x, just like the a is below the x using the change of base rule, sometimes also called the change of base formula. This allows us to evaluate a logarithm of a base that we may not have available on, let's say, an older calculator model. So example 3, we're going to write an equivalent expression for each using the base e, which involves natural logarithm. So log base 7 of 2, we're going to rewrite this using natural logarithms, and it's as simple as the natural log of 2 divided by the natural log of 7. So we get the exact same expression for log base 7 of 2 if we evaluate the natural log of 2 divided by the natural log of 7. Part B, we have log of 5, or log base 10 of 5. So rewriting this using natural logarithms, again, this is base 10 here. We have the natural log of 5 over the natural log of 10. And finally, part C, we have log of x, or log base 10 of x. So it's the natural log of x divided by the natural log of 10. All right, so that about does it for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.